Imagine an invisible force that silently shapes our lives every night. You can't hear it, you can't see it, but it alters your mood, your energy, and even your destiny. Sounds mysterious, right? This is the moon, an ancient celestial body revered by humanity since the dawn of time. Today you will discover how it influences us and understand why some days feel magical while others are chaotic. Watch this video until the end and you will unlock a secret that can change your life. The moon is not just Earth's satellite. It is a guardian of mysteries, rhythms, and energies that affect every one of us. Have you ever noticed how some days you feel a surge of energy while others leave you drained? This is not a coincidence. Let's explore how exactly the moon governs our well-being, thoughts, and actions. Let's start with its gravitational influence. The moon controls the tides of the oceans. But since the human body is 70% water, we too are affected by these forces. During the new moon and full moon, internal pressure changes in our bodies, affecting our emotions and physical state. During a full moon, people often feel more energetic, but also more irritable. It is a time of intense emotions, vivid dreams, and sudden insights. Many creative individuals note that their inspiration peaks during these nights. But there is another side to it. The full moon can cause insomnia, anxiety, and even aggression. Ancient civilizations believed that mystical forces awakened during these nights. Maybe that's why there are so many legends about people turning into wolves. The new moon is a period of renewal, silence, and planning. During this time, energy turns inward, making people feel tired or apathetic. However, it's the perfect moment to lay the foundation for future success. Lunar phases also influence decision-making. The first half of the lunar cycle is best for starting new ventures, while the second half is ideal for completing old ones. Have you ever noticed that sometimes everything goes smoothly, while other times it feels like the universe is against you? Perhaps you're simply choosing the wrong time. Ancient civilizations understood the power of the moon. In Egypt, China, and India, people built temples and planned significant events based on lunar cycles. Even today, many business leaders and politicians pay attention to these rhythms. The moon also affects our emotional state. During a waxing moon, people feel more optimistic, proactive, and confident. When the moon wanes, it's a time for reflection and closure. You can use this knowledge in your daily life. If you want to achieve success, start important projects during the waxing moon. If you need to break bad habits, wait for the waning moon. Our bodies react to lunar cycles as well. For example, metabolism speeds up during a full moon, making workouts more effective. The new moon is when the body naturally detoxifies, making it an ideal time for cleansing. Even our relationships depend on the moon. During a waxing moon, people fall in love more often, while full moons tend to bring emotional conflicts. Have you ever noticed how certain arguments seem to happen at specific times? Sleep patterns also change. During a full moon, dreams become more vivid and sometimes even prophetic. Meanwhile, during a new moon, people sleep more deeply but have fewer dreams. If you want to harness the power of the moon, try keeping a mood and event journal. Write down how you feel during different phases, and in a month, you will start seeing clear patterns. Whether you believe in it or not, the moon is already influencing you. Understanding its rhythms allows you to flow with the natural energy of the universe rather than against it. Now you know how the moon affects us. Use its power to become more confident, successful, and balanced. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get 3,000 likes and I'll share even more fascinating facts about the mysteries of the universe. Leave a comment below. Have you ever noticed the moon's influence on your life? Share your stories, because that's how we learn to understand the world better. And remember, You are in control of your energy, but if you know when the wave is rising, you can catch it and ride it in the right direction. See you in the next videos. Get inspired every day and use the power of nature to create your best life.